Hey, what's up, guys? It's cold as shit this morning. Today is January 6th, 2025, and we had that big ass cold front come through here yesterday. Dropped the temperatures down into the 20s, and man, it's fucking cold down here. So I've got a job I've got to do outside today, so I'm layered up, and we're gonna go freeze our ass off. First, I've got to go by the supply house and pick up a couple of fittings that I'm gonna need. Then we're gonna go to this dude's house and finish running his outdoor grill and freeze our ass off. So anyways, I bought this badass hat yesterday, and hopefully it'll keep me warm today. All right, this is gonna be a new gas line that we ran. This guy had called out, had some leaks on a key valve. We came over, took care of that, and he showed me some leaks on the grill. The leaks we found were in the brick, so we ran a brand new line. So we've got our new gas riser coming up. Got it wrapped with mill tape going through the brick. New ball valve and a union. And two new shutoffs and flexes. Alright guys, we got that shit taken care of. This homeowner is the one that called me out. I think he's from fucking Ireland or something, I'm not sure. This is the dude that called me out a couple weeks ago with the leaking key valve in the floor. Went over there and tightened up the packing for him. And that's when he asked me if I would take a look at his outdoor grill, that thought they were smelling gas. So I went out there with my sniffer and was picking up traces of gas all up under the cabinetry, up under the grills. And he had some old piping in there that ran through the brick with no kind of protection or anything on there. So we decided, instead of ripping out all the brick to repipe everything, that we would just run some new piping and bypass all the old shit. So he did a little bit of excavating, and I brought up a new riser and put a test on it, got it inspected and all that stuff. Came back today, penetrated through the brick, wrapped everything up, put in a couple new valves for him, tested everything. Everything's good to go there. So pretty much good to go. I guess these people are about to sell their house. Apparently his wife's mother, his mother-in-law or whatever, passed away yesterday. So only thing that's left is backfilling a little bit around the riser. He said he was going to throw his mother-in-law in there and then backfill. So I thought that was pretty mean, but hopefully he was joking. I don't know. Anyways, that's pretty much the extent of that one. So we're about to head off to this next call and see what's up. Hey there, how you doing? Alright, so you found the clips? Sweet.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got that one taken care of. Just put a couple screws in the cabinetry, secured the dishwasher. That couple is very appreciative, and I am glad to be finished with that one. So that's about it. About to go home and fire up the fireplace and kick back for a little while. Hope everybody has a good evening. Peace out.